How about that? Yeah?
Come on, we're pre-gaming. Can you please move your purse?
That's not my purse. Just my little baggie.
You mean little baggie? Baggie. Turn this shit up.
Only hit the club on Saturday and Sunday. I used to pull up every week, you should have seen her. The way she didn't know my nigga do it clean up. Skidding it, hitting on the river shake. Now mama kidding it, and she fit the school and the gym into a work day. The dishes, tell a nigga don't explain, I'm strong.
Running off of 5 hours of sleep a night, and the vibes are still up.
Why?
And then I was up like all night for this fucking assignment. And then I had to get up for clients. And then yesterday I got home at like 1 and didn't go to bed until like 2.
Drop it.
I'm shaking.
This was a 10. Awesome. There's a 3. That's great. Sleep is a 6. You know, I'd like that to be an 8 or a 9, but that sleep score is going to really have a positive impact.
What are you hitting today?
Glutes and shoulders.
Type shit.
Bikini. I look like hungover and I didn't even drink.
Make it clap, yo. I make it clap, yo. I had them haters asking how you up in that.
RPE. Shoulder. Fucking deadlifts. It's been years since I've done a deadlift.
Yikes, yeah, that's wild.
Come on. In a music video. Don't put a camera on me.
You just get better than that other nigga. She say, Tone, I'm about to come. I say, I'm coming with you.
She got that.
Hey! What happened?
Damn, that's crazy.
$1 million pussy.
Okay, come on.
What are you gonna hit?
Dumbbell? Or we could go over there.
Alright, what are you
Over
hitting?
there.
What are you hitting? Trust me, it's like such a close clip. Trust me, that looked dope as shit. Trust me, that looked dope as shit. Move your bag and stuff over there. That also like runs the shots. Diva. That's right. That's right. Man, that's not. I was talking about maybe like over there or like over here. Like not like 2 feet away, bro. She literally was like right here, just went, meh. Bro, come on now. Thank you. Look at you.
She's barking orders at me.
Look at you. Yappa, yappa, yappa. Miss Yap. All right, let's get busy. Suck it up, Buttercup. How you feeling? Sweaty?
It's so weird. Like, I'm used to training to failure. And I'm just like 3 reps left. 3 to 5 left. I'm used to like,
Yeah. Interesting.
that was amazing. Before I would be questioning what happened. Shit, I was yesterday. Like, by the time I eat so much food. When the notification starts again. Focus. My sippy cup. I put electrolytes in here.
What? Are you mewing? Don't give me that face.
It's falling off. Headphones are off.
You got this. You got this.
They're gone.
Just keep it up.
I lost count.
There you go.
That's interesting. My strength's gone down. I'm like not interesting enough to be filming. The music's crazy. Anyway, throw on some shit more R&B. Yeah. I was not leaving 3 reps left in the tank, so I call. Okay, that's enough. It's not giving completed pro right now, but that's okay. It will. Trust.
Soon to come. And new. Hang on.
What'd you say?
I said I had to zoom out to catch all that in frame. Respectfully.
I know that's right.
I know that's right. You're not. Trust.
Can you fan me, please? There's not a lot of airflow. We got 40 pounds to lose. It's okay, guys.
There you go. That was good. That was good. Huh? Huh? Nah. They're looking filled out. The delt's looking filled out.
My bicep Alright, bitches. As soon as I
Him. Maddie, that's what happens when you're a baddie. That's what happens when you're a baddie. Well, shit, you gotta.
Say something. You want serum because say something. You say something.
Oh. I get what you're saying.
My back hurts.
It's a lot. Lead with the elbow. There you go.
My assistant coach for prep. He's free though. Me. This is about me. I don't even know how many I've done. That's one. The setup for this is crazy.
Yeah, it is.
I'm like, okay, it's first.
Let's do it. There you go. Yep. And just don't think about like reaching forward or anything. Just reach out to your side. Yep. All that rear delt. Good. I see it. I see it moving. Good. You want to really try to contract. Feel that squeeze in there. Go ahead up. Keep looking down. Good. Keep on getting that all the way up there. You got it.
Fan.
Yep. You got it. Come on. Go. Go. There you go. Come on, keep it up. Good. Good shit. Good shit. That's all right.
What y'all know about Zendaya?
I'm gonna call my GM real quick. How's it going? Anyway, can you please move that so I can see the boulder?
I'm so jittery. I'm like stressed. Just give me 18 more weeks. See her?
I can see it in your eyes, you're angry. Regret got shit on what you're feeling now. Mad cause he ain't like me. Oh, you mad cause nobody ever did it like me. All the care I would take, all the love that we made. Now you're trying to find somebody to replace what I gave to you.
Hey, you need a full glute day. Like, recorded.